Masaka bio kwa memre ko yedi nkomo no enye eno na ye hia kwame so ni mi say enei si eba start league na ebe boliga preseason e play vital role e wo obi a performance mu entisa because untimi meye why nya enough time to do your preseason akwame your start league na ebe show obi a be hu say no preseason na ye no ankoye and I want enough time to prepare towards the season. Entiende, me no ka say fishes aba they are best at league no out. But now Hasselfolk is still struggling to put up a technical team for the team. Entiende, say edin komo anyway kasa no. It's something that I don't want to even listen. Unu obi din komo na enye pe ya enye relevant at this point. Ndi edin komo ne mfa nka asa ma say o ka me ka say maybe there be kwame omo me hu the difference between maybe no any one kwame mreko bosomi na so awie we still have just Kwame team Ben started preseason.
Bia start. Now that has since started.
Enti Kwame.
No has started.
Enti omo training.
How we training?
Why do me here?
Me ma coaches me you I pay.
Why are you pay? Why are you pay?
Formally of in Swatre. Oni Salim Suleiman omo na de omo here. No Bismarck e show mo pictures. Omo na lead here.
Na produce yesterday.
Minim de ntia was.
O ma ka ho omo tempera na.
Omo na lead the has year training no.
But omo nka Hasselfolk team no.
Man dey been confirm.
No so omo nka ho asanka at least nko omo be
has mo afena mo form a technical team.
So meaning so omo
ebi krom omo ba be assistant coaches I only know.
Ebia asem na meka no so asakosi o. Ebia ye mfa nka asem kwame.
But for now has new coach. Ana we mu na active.
Active omo na catch us omo active. Omo the Hasselfolk the bibia ba bonti say now they are the people omo acting on behalf of technical team now. No me pese mi hu. Say
has in fact bibia ma bonti.
Enti mini so bia say ni o omo ni me kai nra ya picture na Bismarck the two. That was oya mama out of France. Okay. Yeah. Oh friends I pay. As a folk. Kwame. Mesre omo. De ekoso no enya de a eye nika sem edima Hasselfolk. Kwame omo nkeka omo ho because excuse no eya doso and again they can't continue to do this stuff to look up say nay omo betima ma performance e di league man ye a team why ready say obe compete for league Kwame they don't do this lackadaisical attitude no Hasselfolk suma omo den de Kwame enye suban papa yen kan okra ni Hasselfolk Kwame nye suban papa they should sit up and do things right for the club because how a club ni si Kwame yeti ha na afi Hasselfolk oni division 2 bobo kra na mo mfa ho because the ekoso no enya de papa enya ne gisem enya de o say a big club like Hasselfolk Kwame omutimi yesa na o ma na ekoso club no mesrem panifo omo nkeke omo Kwame yedi nkomo ye gusu yedi nkomo na adoso ayeye
no official
yes now kotokode no na oside neko na penkra na Kwame
ko mi didi ni chese
me de unse me stand baako for this particular kotoko area me say nipa ayewrade team no Kwame ahye ne nsa amano no Kwame eyo musika ana omode run club no eye omu investment ana omode hye team nim Kwame ntie nei obia omunim biemu no omu susu se omode ne ba asante kotoko club nim na Kwame obeboa club no ama enei omu course omu fight no ebe wie pen Kwame I'm in support of that
bia ujinem
yes obia board members no kwame omo free say omo di ne beka kotokon ho a obeboa ama dwumadi na konkan ama koroko dwumadi ne awie pa ya ama omo no kwame me support pa because e see ano wa oba be cross line bia kwame ube make excuses ube kan sem say bia I mean omo ko appoint obi enti no omo nya adwen ana we abakọ enti ni kwame it means una woye nipa ompetim ni kanko because one usika nya una wo usika e hyetim ni again contribution ni kwame sen ana mo de ba na nipa na ono no ye investment or club ni mu no a office or first ani personal so for kwame ana no for Bismarck or for Nicholas or the be hyetim ni mu na omo run club na be ko yama no on tiasia o person will decide man dia kwame I'm sorry for that matter kwame yentwe we won't sit here for obia me sa anyoma no omo ya de na kwame enkoyi a we will tell them say enkoyi omo ye bibi na kwame ekọ achu ana echi a we will tell them say kwame na de omo ye enya de a sefata but as we speak dwumadi a o ma start so omo di any direction pesa omo de club no kwame emo bia metwintwe o manem ye nya omo na omo form a formidable team a omo betimi dia push asante kodokona kwame going forward no omo pesa omo ye no omo ni so ade hu omo pesa ebam kwame omo nyama club no because obi ntimi fa na investment e ma hye bibi mu a ono no free say ade na mo na obeto aso aye kwame ana mebo a enti enei so omo invest no omo pa manfo aba on board e bebo omo investment na wie pa ya kwame we should give them our support near how things will go because at this moment all they need is support near nyai we abako omo kasa nya we abako omo fa hwe emfa nkako no go